Alright folks, we are at step number 7 of the roadmap to the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Hey, before we start, be sure to download and watch the complimentary mini course, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession, right now, so I can show you exactly how people just like you are using this strategy to quickly learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x their income during recession and improve their ways to build wealth during recession. Without how to survive during recession, how to find out the best investments during recession, and finding the best ways to prepare themselves mentally. And just so you know, you're in the right place, and I want to underscore that this strategy reflects the exact system we have used to help countless restaurants, bars, technology, retail industry, and job-oriented people quickly and predictably learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x their income during recession and achieve their ways to build wealth during recession goals. In short, this is what is working right now. So let's dig in. You might be aware that trying to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during recession and ultimately learn not to panic during recession are the hardest things to do without proper guidance. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time is a major problem for job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology worldwide. The ways to build wealth during recession space is absolutely flooded with courses, coaches, and hype, all promising to help get results, but ultimately only adding to our overwhelm and frustration. Just about every day, I hear the same questions from folks trying to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x their income during recession. How can I learn about trading and investing? How do I start a freelance business? What platforms are the best for starting a freelance business? And countless other questions I hear all the time. The fact is, there are only 3 main reasons retail industry, work-oriented people, restaurants, bars, and technology struggle to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x their income during recession. How to survive during recession. How to find out the best investments during recession. Finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Do these sound familiar? In all of my experience serving and talking with job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology, I hear these 3 struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of a much greater issue. The real issue is lack of clear point A to point B system that's easy to follow. A clear roadmap that's been proven to help people just like you learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during recession in no time flat. So this is exactly where our beneficial platforms come in. Let me show you how it works. Step number 1, the first thing students on this path have to do is sign up for a course about trading or investing. Step 2, next we teach our students how to do an internet research about starting a freelance business. Step number 3, the last step in this beneficial platform system is learning how those who are successfully actually explore sites like Upwork and Fiverr. So folks, this is just step number 7 in our recession income program, and it's the clearest and most predictable and proven system for anyone serious about doing what it takes to achieve their ways to build wealth during recession goals. Learn the ways to build wealth during recession and learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. We partner with each student and help them achieve these steps in this exact order. So when you are in the fear stage, stage number 1, we will utilize our recession time system that helps folks just like you to speed up the process of reaching your financial goals by learning about passive income secrets. Next, our unique Start Your Own Passive Income Stream process ensures our students that they will have many different options to choose from for starting their own business fast. And after that, they will understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during recession using our Learn to Invest frameworks. The Resolve Financial Problems process will ensure success as students will learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. The core mechanism for ensuring they can make an effort to keep their debt to income ratio low is our Learn Survival Skills system. The last step in the Learn stage is to customize our Understand Digital Marketing process, which shows our students how to accomplish their goal with content marketing each and every day like clockwork. Once we have your fear and learn in place, we will kick off the Enjoy stage by building out the beneficial platform system, which allows you to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during the session fast. So next step, we help our students put attention on enhancing their abilities, accumulating additional accomplishments, and creating profitable hobbies so they can put all of these things in their resume. This is our unique model called Avoid Blunders. And the final step of our The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession course is to ensure our students that they are able to get the most original idea they may apply in their daily life to generate income during the session using the Reap the Benefits system. So if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession goals, then download this complimentary mini course right now. In just a few minutes, you will get clear on what's holding you back. Next, we will be able to map out a crystal clear step-by-step strategy you can follow to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession goals with confidence in the next 30 days. If you follow the strategies in our full-length course. Please note, this is only for you if you are the type of a person who understands it is time to take advantage by enhancing the contributions or starting dollar cost averaging in a non-qualified investment account, or who wants to benefit from investing in real estate, is actively seeking support and wants to learn about passive income ideas, requiring an upfront monetary investment, and will commit yourself to learn about methods available to you for making money during a recession. If that is you, then click the link and download the mini course right now. Thank you.